Now, listen very carefully. The name of the game is recognizing the vegetables and fruits blindfolded without seeing it. When the whistle goes on, with the touch of your hands, start recognizing the vegetables and write the names of at least 6 vegetables and fruits when the paper is given to you. Is it clear? And after that, we will remove the vegetables from in front of you. You have to remember the names of the vegetables because we will remove the vegetables. Then we will give you a piece of paper and pen. You have to write the names of the vegetables on that paper and submit it to madam. No, you have to write on English only. You have to write the names in English only. When the first whistle goes on, start recognizing it. When the second whistle is blown, stop recognizing it. Okay, then we'll remove the vegetables and give you a paper. We'll open your eyes that folds also. Now, blow the whistle. Start recognizing. Bolo mat. Apne yaad rakho. Remember it. Remember the names. Remember the names. At least 6 are there. Remember. One vegetable has got 2 pieces of the same type.
You have to observe the items, vegetables. You write on the paper of boards.
Remember the names. This is the last round. After this, we will select the maximum 6 members from the earlier rounds and then hold the game again for first, second and third.
Stop it.
Stop it now and remove the vegetables. Remove the vegetables and keep the pens and paper in front of you. आप खोल दो इनका पट्टियाँ. Remove the folds. Now you start writing the names, what you have seen, what you have recognized.
Write your name also. Your name also.
Write the name at the top and write the names in English. Remember and write the maximum names which you can remember so that your name comes at the top. You get maximum marks. After writing, give the paper to madam. Give the paper to madam after writing. The time is going to be over now very shortly. Come, give the papers back. Go and sit in UKG class.